Hello and welcome, Triton Laser Solutions. My name is Stefan. Today we're talking laser mold cleaning, injection molding, rotational molding, stamping and so on. With the use of the laser, we can completely eliminate the need for any chemicals for you within the cleaning process. I will now show you, based on a sample, the process of the application. So we have here our sample mold with a nice amount of build-up on it. We will give it now a good clean with our laser. As usual, the only consumable used in the process is electricity. We can see already some of the build-up disappearing and revealing the blank surface. With the laser we are able to get into every tiny groove or contour on your mold, leaving you after a couple of minutes with nothing but a perfect result.
You can easily change the speed.
As an interesting side note, we can use the laser also to create and engrave molds. This is a very cost-efficient way of creating molds with an unmatched level of detail compared to, let's say, a high accuracy CNC lathe or other processes. We are finished cleaning here, all the buildup is gone and the mold is ready for action again. Thank you for watching. If you would like to see this live in action on your molds, please get in touch and we will book in a demo with you. Hopefully see you soon. Thank you. Bye.